Okay guys, were you able to figure out the pattern? So if we take a look here, we want to know what's the relationship between 4 and 6 when it comes to 10. Well, we know that if you add 4 plus 6 together, that will give you 10. So the relationship between this 4 and this 6 is that they add to 10. Now what's the relationship between the 4 and the 6 when it comes to 24? Well, I know that 4 times 6 will give us 24. So the relationship is that for this term here, they were added together. For this term here, they multiplied. Let's go to the next one. Does the pattern hold? So, what's the relationship between the 3, the 5, and the 8? So, we have 3 and 5. Well, if we add these together, we'll get this 8 over here. Now, does the same pattern hold for the third term? We have 3 and 5. If we multiply 3 times 5, that will give us 15. So again, we see that we add these terms together to get the second term, and then we multiply these terms together to get the third term. Now, what if we were given just this, and we had to figure out what are these two terms? Now, let's see. Well, we know we have to get two numbers that when you add them together will give you 9, and when you multiply them together will give you 20. So there's something we like to do that's called the x method. So we're going to draw out an x over here. And we're looking for two numbers. When you add them together will give you 9, and when you multiply them together will give you 20. Now I know that in order to find numbers that multiply together to give you 20, there's only a few of them. So I'm going to list out the factors. We have 1 times 20. We have 2 times 10. We have 4 times 5. Now, does any of these factors, when you add them together, give you 9? 1 plus 20 is 21, so it's not this. 2 plus 10 is 12, so it's not that. So we have 4 plus 5 that gives you 9. So 4 and 5 are the factors. So the missing spot over here will be x plus 4 and x plus 5. And this here is your factored form.